Hello friend, how's going on? I'm Sanjeev Devnath. Today I'm in Geneva Motor Show 2016. Here I am at Bugatti Chiron's stand. So let's go to the see Chiron. Legendary. This word means a lot. And the Bugatti Veyron was a legend. But now this responsibility is on the ultimate super sports car Bugatti Chiron. Bugatti shakes the hypercar realm one more time with 1500 horsepower enraged Chiron. Bugatti runs a magnificent business strategy with just one model production lineup, and Bugatti is doing it with its signature massive 16-cylinder engine. Yes, that is 8-liter W16 engine, the heart of the new Bugatti Chiron. You can see a Bugatti EB logo. The EB means Ettore Bugatti, and the top of it carbon fiber flap. It's so impressive. You can actually see all the cylinders here, and it has 4 turbos. In total, it creates staggering 1500 horsepower, and it has 1600 newton meter of torque. In the combination of this massive power and torque, it makes more than 11,000 rpm. It's awesome, awesome. Bugatti especially designed this 7-speed dual-class gearbox for the Chiron, and Bugatti claims it has the largest and highest performing class to achieve the massive top speed. And in the top speed, it will cover a football pitch in every second. When Bugatti first time tested this W16 engine in factory for the Veyron, the heat which is produced by this massive engine melted the outgoing smoke chimney pipe. I don't know this time what they melted down. For the owner, interior comfort is as important as the exterior look, and Bugatti provides one of the best leather component compared to all other automobiles company. And up to now, I didn't say anything about the interior. Actually, it is not possible to open the door, but we can try in another way. That is the very same leather which is used in Chiron. It is very comfortable and luxurious. You can actually choose the leather from the 31 different types of leather. Here is the carbon fiber choice for the Bugatti Chiron's owner. There are several types of carbon fiber. This is the magnificent looking steering wheel, which is covered with the finest leather. This simple looking center console actually designed to match with the C-shaped curve between the seats. And the sound system is provided by the Acouton. So let's start the mighty Bugatti Chiron. Bugatti will make 500 units of Chiron. And if you have this amount of money to buy a Bugatti Chiron, don't waste your time because it actually that good. And that is all from the assistant. If you like my video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.